Hello, for Uber?
Yeah, hi.
Hi, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. What's the name?
Angelina.
Yep.
They have a nice car.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
So where are you off to today?
My event.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What event are you doing?
I'm running my own fashion brand.
I can't really hear you. What are you saying?
I said I'm running my own fashion brand.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Are you like a college or a business owner?
Yeah, I'm a entrepreneur.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
So are you doing pretty good? Are you just starting out?
No, I actually have been my own brand.
You're trying to get your foot in the door kind of thing?
No, I've had my foot in the door.
Okay.
Yeah.
Or you're sitting in the middle?
Yeah. I just like to see where we're going, you know?
Okay. Fair enough.
Yeah.
So anyways, you're saying you're like an intern or something or what?
No, it's my business.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, you're like a female. That's surprising.
I'm an entrepreneur.
Yeah. Well, usually girls kind of like, they're just they're just starting out, you know?
What do you have to say?
Well, I feel like, you know, someone, I mean, you just look pretty young. Like, I don't know. So you're saying you have like it's like an online, like a little Instagram page or something?
No, like a website.
Okay. Well,
Yeah,
good for you.
sometimes I have pop-up stores.
Yeah, I mean, you know. Hey, what'd you just do?
Nothing.
You just canceled the ride?
No, I didn't.
That's not cool at all. You just canceled the ride.
Cancel the ride.
I'm trying to pay off my student loans. You're trying to get a free ride out of me?
I'm not trying to get a free ride.
I've been driving since 5 a.m. to pay off my student loans.
Okay, well, I paid for this ride, so what is the problem?
You canceled the ride, so I'm not going to get paid.
I didn't cancel the ride.
I have to pull you over. I'm sorry.
What do you think, I'm broke? Like, I paid for this ride. You're taking me to my destination.
I don't know. You're talking
I
about...
have people to see. People are expecting me.
You should have thought about that before you canceled.
What do you think? I did not cancel this ride. You think I'm broke?
You gotta get out. I don't know. I mean, what is that, Shein?
No, this is Dior. Dior.
Dior. Okay. Yeah, I'm sure it's Dior. It looks like Nike, so I don't know.
It's Dior Nike.
Okay.
Well, you don't even know what fashion is.
Can you just... I don't care about fashion. Fashion's dumb. Like, literally just... I shop at H&M. Like, that's all you need.
Okay, you're getting 1-star review.
What?
Yeah.
Get out of my car right now.
Are you freaking kidding me?
Get out.
I'm gonna be late to my event because of you.
Take your Dior shoes and leave. They probably got them at Payless. Or Walmart.
Boy, this car was from Walmart.
Don't slam the door on your way out. Oh my gosh.